Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change your email on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on save, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile. Then you go up, you will click here on app, and it's going to show for you this window. Then you just click here on settings, and you come to settings window here. Then you just click here on account management, then you come to account management window here, and you just click here on email. Then here you can change your email or add a new email here. So that's all, and you just add your email. It is going to save with you. Thank you for your watching. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all Pinterest app settings.